So if you are to mark the fair value gap of this particular theory candlestick fair value gap formation, if you are to mark the fair value gap with tools, with MT5 chart tools, you simply click on your screen, click on it, then click on this icon right here, and then select this rectangle tool. If you can't see it here, simply click on this plus symbol right here, then look for the rectangle tool, look for it, it's here, select it. I think when you make use of it on your chart, you will then be able to find it. Here. This place is called favorite objects. So I think the tools you have made use of would display here. Alright, so I want to mark the fair value gap of this particular theory candlestick fair value gap formation. I'll simply first of all use the horizontal tool, which is this one. If you can't find it there, of course, again, click on plus. Let me not say again, click on plus at the top, like I showed you previously. Then click on horizontal line, click on it, and then mark it. Mark here. Mark the lowest low of this right candlestick, the lowest low. If you want to edit the line, simply click on the line, click on this pencil symbol here, and then you can determine how you want the line. Is it dash dash? Is it this one? Is this dash dash? Or is it this dash dash? Or is this normal line? Anyone you want. You can change the color to whatever you wish. Click on it, and then select. You can select this color. Then click on save at the top right corner of your screen, and then you can increase the size of the line. So you can, like this. When you're done, you can click on save. There's another thing you can do with this horizontal line. You can just put in price here. When you put in price here, it will take you to the exact price you want the line to be drawn at. Let me show you. Look at the price of this particular point is 5448.269. 5448.269. Let me write it somewhere that I'll be able to remember. 5448.269. So even if the line is here, I can move it to this point even without dragging it. As the line is here, I can drag it to this point. But even without dragging it, I can move it to that point by just inserting the price there. So let me show you. So what price was that point? 544. So this is where I'm editing this point. So this place you see here, is called price. All right. So 5449 .269. So if I click save now, watch. Probably I didn't get the exact. Okay, I think it was 5448, right? 5448. I think it was 5448. I don't think it was 9. I think it was 5448. 5448.269. 5448.269. Boom. You can see the price came here by itself from here. Alright, so you mark the lowest low. Remember, I've already taught you what lowest low is. Mark the lowest low of this right candlestick, and then you take another horizontal line again, and then mark the ISI of this left candlestick. Previously, you marked the lowest low of this right candlestick, and now you would also mark the lowest low, the ISI of this left candlestick. So for this first one, you mark the lowest low of the right candlestick, and then for this you are marking the ISI of the left candlestick. So you can, like I already taught you, what is at the center is called an imbalance. All right, fair value gap. So you can use this rectangle tool to mark it, to mark the zone. You can use the rectangle tool to mark the zone. Again, if I want to edit this rectangle tool, click on it, click on pencil. You can change the color to whatever you want. To this, click save, save. As you can see, didn't it save? Click this, click save. Okay, click OK first below. Click OK below. OK, then click save. As you can see. So this is how you can mark it. Alright. So if you want to also do mark for this or that theory candlestick formation or fair value gap, you simply take your horizontal line, mark the lowest low of the left candlestick, mark the lowest low of the left candlestick, and then take another horizontal line, mark the highest high of the right candlestick. So what is at the center is fair value gap, is E-balance. So you can use your rectangle tool to mark that place. You can call it a zone. Mark the zone. Alright, mark the zone. So that's that.